Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door bottom seal. First, let's gather our tools and choose the right replacement. You'll need a tape measure, a utility knife, and a screwdriver. Selecting a new seal that fits your door's width, typically 36 inches or 32 inches, is crucial. This simple upgrade significantly boosts your home's energy efficiency, keeping out unwanted drafts, moisture, and pests. It's a straightforward project that offers big benefits. Now, let's get that old seal off. If your current seal is screwed on, use a screwdriver to remove them. For adhesive types, gently pry it off with a putty knife, being careful not to damage the door. Once removed, take a moment to clean the bottom edge of the door. This ensures a smooth, clean surface for your new seal to adhere properly, making for a much better fit. With the old seal gone and the door clean, it's time for the new one. Measure your door's width accurately, then use a hacksaw or utility knife to cut the new seal to size. Position the seal against the bottom of the door, ensuring it makes slight contact with the threshold. Then, either screw it into place or peel off the adhesive backing and press it firmly along the door's edge. After installation, open and close your door a few times to check the seal. It should move smoothly without binding, creating a tight barrier against the threshold. If needed, you can make minor adjustments to the seal's position or even your door's threshold for a perfect fit. A properly installed door bottom seal can reduce energy loss by 10 to 20%, saving you money and enhancing your home's comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.